Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Talking Politics. In this episode, I'm going to talk about a tweet from the Daily Mail US. It's about Dr. Fauci. It says, Fauci warns things are going to get worse with COVID. Well, of course, they want people to get the shot. So they need to scare the heebie-jeebies out of you. They need to scare you. But he does not see America returning to lockdowns. Dr. Anthony Fauci, the nation's top criminal disease expert, says the COVID cases will continue to rise, but he doesn't see the return to the lockdowns. Well, of course, there will not be a return. You see, during the first shutdown, Trump was in office, right? The economy was doing awesome. The Democrats hated the economy being really good because, how can you beat an opponent that has an awesome economy, people working and so forth? The Democrats encouraged this shutdown, this lockdown, sent people to their homes. The Democrats loved it. But now there will not be another lockdown because that will embarrass the Democrats. So they will do their best to keep people working and keep the economy growing because that would be really embarrassing if it fell apart. If there was another economic collapse, it would be so disastrous for the Democratic Party.